Let's look at the structure of atom. A few example question. Example 1. Aluminum proton or aluminum atom has proton number of 13. Write the electronic arrangement for aluminum atom. Okay, so what we do is we put 2, 8, 3. Okay, so how do we know that? Okay, because we know the first one should be occupied with 2 electrons, and another orbital should be 8, which is full orbital, and then 3 is the leftovers. So this 3 is the valence electron, the number of valence electron, the number of outermost electron. Okay, so example 2, atom Y has an electronic arrangement of 2882 and a nucleon number of 39. What is the number of proton? Okay, the number of proton should be 2882, because the number of electron in an atom can also be the number of proton as well. So 2882, you add up, you become 20. And they mentioned that nucleon number. Remember, nucleon is proton and neutron. Okay, do not confuse. So we are supposed to find the number of neutron also. Okay, so here 20, here neutron, here nucleon is 39. So neutron will have 19. Okay, 19 pieces of neutron. And then electron will be the same as proton. It will have a total of 20 electrons. Example 3. The proton number and nucleon number of a sodium atom are 11 and 23 respectively. Sodium is Na, so normally it is written like this, 23, 11. So how many protons are there? There are 11 protons, because here is the proton number. Proton number. So you have 11 proton. And how many neutron? How do we find neutron? We use 23 minus 11. Therefore, you get 12 neutron. Okay, or I should add plural here. Okay, 11 protons and 12 neutrons. Example 4, an element, selenium 7934, has how many neutrons are there? The number of neutrons should be 79 minus 34. You should be able to get 45 neutrons. How many protons are there? 34 protons. How many electrons are there? This is a neutral element, so it should be 34 electrons as well. 34 protons, 34 electrons. Next, example 5. As we look at example 5, the electronic arrangement of atom R is 2881. This shows that R has 1 valence electron, so I should cut off this part. It's not a plural, it's singular. Has a proton number of 2881, so you add up together, supposed to be 19, because 19 electron means 19 proton. 19 electron means 19 proton. How many neutrons are there? Okay, we wouldn't be able to find out, okay, but we can find the periodic table. If you look at periodic table, you will see that 2881 is actually an element of, let me see, okay, 2881, it should be, as I'm checking the book, give me 1 minute as you think of the example. So 2881 is either potassium, it cannot be sodium, because sodium is 281. So potassium is 2881. That will be group 1. Okay, group 1. So atomic mass for potassium is given as, let me check, 19. No, 19. No, it's 39. 39. Okay, so potassium is 39. So we can proceed with finding the answer. So this is a potassium 39. 2881 is actually 19 here. So you have 20 neutrons. And then R has how many electrons? It should be 19 electrons. How many protons? 19 protons.